Welcome back to the weekly updates of the construction project here at the library. And this week, we have a door. Now we can emergency exit safely. Safety first. Our exterior siding is all done. Not that we have any interior siding, but siding is done. This little piece of wall is new. We upgraded our fire alarms. We have more electrical run. We had to level out the cement between the existing and the new portion. A lot of the walls have been primed. This is also a new door. It might seem little, but we got a new light bulb. Stay tuned for more updates from Construction Carol.